What's going on, guys? Crypto J here, back at it with another YouTube video. Today I want to talk to you guys about the HOPPY Coin. I've been seeing a lot of interesting price predictions for HOPPY, and it kind of brought me to the chart here. So I want to kind of take you guys through the thoughts that were just going through my mind. It's not going to be a long video, but I did write everything out for you guys in an Excel document. So I'll take you through it. We can see right now that HOPPY has about a 45 million market cap. I believe in the video that I made the other day, the market cap was closer to like 30. Okay, no. I'm looking through the price chart. I was going to say, I think it was in the upper 30s, but we actually didn't touch that low. Okay, so HOPPY's still holding up pretty nicely. We're closer to 46 million than 45. So for my math, I just went ahead and I have the current market cap. I rounded up to 46 million. Okay, dude, I think that the idea of HOPPY going to 460 million dollars, that's not off the table. That's not outlandish. I think that's kind of a bearish proposal. Okay, you guys can see that if you have $50, that's all it really takes, guys. You don't have to actually put in $1,000. Damn sure not $10,000 or $100,000. $50 is all it takes. Okay, it doesn't have to be some significant sum. It really can just be spare money, actual change that, oh, you didn't buy as many groceries this week as you were expecting. Let me put that into HOPPY because it can easily 10x and you can get here to 500. What was the all-time high for HOPPY? I wonder if I can just scroll out really quick and kind of see. Dude, HOPPY's, it's almost touched 100 million already. All right. When it peaked on July 8th, which was literally just over a week ago, it was almost twice the market cap that it is right now. If you guys have seen any previous videos of mine, I've talked about how it was definitely a bit of a pullback, but I don't really think that's that important. I don't think that's gonna hurt the coin at all. I still see all these YouTubers and influencers making videos about it. I still see people on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, making so many tweets about it and talking about how just robust the HOPPY community is and how many fans it has. It's definitely asserted itself as one of the premier Matt Fury coins, especially with Spike kind of going bust the other day. Well, one of the spikes, depending on which one you bought, because for some strange reason it's multiple spikes on one chain. Yeah, it's some odd things going on with Spike, guys. That being said, that doesn't really make me bearish on the Matt Fury coins altogether. I still think a lot of them, especially HOPPY, has extreme growth potential. Okay, I think it's probably a reach to think that you'll see this market cap over 100x. I've seen some people saying that they can see HOPPY hitting 10 billion market cap, 20 billion market cap. That's unreasonable, dude. It doesn't make sense, and we shouldn't pretend that it does make sense. But I think 4.6 billion is reasonable, though. I think it's reach. I think HOPPY's going to have to push really, really hard because it's going to be competing against other coins, especially other Matt Fury meme coins. But I think it's possible. 50 is much more likely than 100 in my opinion. That's lower than HOPPY right now. It's a bit higher than Brett right now. I think, excuse me, I said it's lower than HOPPY. It's lower than Pepe right now because Pepe is in like the 3 billions and Brett's is like what, 1 billion right now. Let me go to the chart really quick just to confirm. If we go to Pepe, dude, Pepe is the number 22 ranked coin. I'm wrong. What the hell am I saying? Pepe was 3 billion. It's not 3 billion. It's over 5 billion now, dude. My gosh, dude. This is insane. These coins are crazy. Where's Brett right now then? Okay, yeah, Brett's still a bit over 1.3 billion. That's about where I knew Brett was. Wow, Pepe's over 5 now, dude. My goodness. When you look at how high these two coins, and these are the most popular Matt Fury meme coins, obviously HOPPY can at least touch where Brett is, right? Look at the charts, look at the communities. Obviously HOPPY can at least touch this. And if it does touch this, Brett's been higher than 1.3 billion. I'm sure Brett's been in the twos before. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, it's gotten pretty close to the two. It hasn't quite touched it though. But 1.87 is really close, dude. When I look at a coin like Brett and compare it to a coin like Hoppy, I can see Hoppy, because Hoppy's the baby Pepe. It's the frog. I can definitely see Hoppy kind of glowing up and even surpassing Brett, if I'm being honest. Because when I see, Brett's on base, it's not on Ethereum. Ethereum's still more popular chain. It's more usable for a lot of people still, just due to its popularity. If I look at a $100 investment, we can see a 10x. That's so reasonable, dude. 460 million. That's an easy 1,000. Okay, a 20x, reasonable as hell. It literally almost touched that. Easy 2,000. Easy 2,000, dude. Easy 2,000, dude. Okay, actually no. I was thinking this number doesn't quite look right. Let me fix that. There we go. Okay, it's not that easy, folks. It's not gonna be that easy. But 920 billion, 920 million. That's not even 1 billion yet. I have a hard time imagining a future where Hoppy doesn't touch 1 billion. Okay, so if we drew a line between the 20x return and 50x return, Hoppy has to at least go somewhere between there, dude. If you have $500, that's an easy $10,000 before the end of the bull run, which will probably end sometime at the end of 2025. All right, I'll say if you go beyond this line here, you start to kind of reach uncharted territory where things become more and more risky. Things might be a reach. I personally wouldn't really go that far. I personally wouldn't really stress myself out over that. Okay, going for a 20x returns, it's very reasonable. Me personally, right now I have about $1,000 invested into Hoppy. I've actually made so much money off of Hoppy after it went on that crazy run before it started to have its pullback that I took out some profits, but right now I still have about $1,100 in Hoppy, so a bit over 1,000. In my mind, that's going to be at least $20,000, people. And I really, really think it could become $50,000. That's not crazy to me. All right, not even a little bit. Just wanted to share my thoughts and kind of show you guys what I've been cooking, what I've been thinking. This is a really spontaneous video. The Excel chart, if you guys see any errors in it or any problems, let me know in the comments. I did really make it really quickly because I wanted to share these thoughts before I lost them. But that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for pulling up and listening to me talk about Hoppy's potential. As always, please like and subscribe, leave comments if you want to know any thoughts on any coins or anything like that. I'd love to make more videos and interact with just people in the crypto space on YouTube and beyond. So let me know and leave comments, please. Leave likes and let me know any questions that you guys may have. All right, this has been Crypto J. I'll talk to you guys later.